Welcome to the Rohingya Cultural Memory Centre in Cox's Bazar, a place that shows the strength, resilience, and cultural heritage of the Rohingya people. This exhibition tells the Rohingya story through a comprehensive collection of cultural artifacts and artwork researched and produced by Rohingya refugees who are living in the camps. Our mission in Cox's Bazar goes well beyond providing core relief items or displaying Rohingya artifacts and artwork. It's about honoring and safeguarding the rich cultural heritage of this community. For too long, the Rohingya people have faced enormous challenges. They've been forced to flee their homeland. They've suffered untold hardships. But amid this torment and darkness, their culture endures. It's our duty to ensure that it is not forgotten. Here, we not only showcase the beauty of Rohingya culture, we engage with the community to support their mental health and their psychosocial well-being. Through art therapy, storytelling, and community support, we offer a lifeline to those who've experienced trauma and loss. Prioritizing mental health and psychosocial support is crucial for well-being in times of crisis and trauma, and it's integral to their resilience, their recovery, and their dignity.
রোহিঙ্গার অসমরগর ইয়ানত মাঝে আয়রা হামগরিলে আত বেশি খুশি লাগে আর দিলে শান্তি পা আর রোহিঙ্গার অসমরগর ইয়ানত মাঝে গলিলে আই নিজরে নিজে চিনি পারি আই হলনা আর আই হলতো আসি দেয়ান
Our initiative is an essential testament to our shared humanity and our commitment to justice and compassion. So I invite each and every one of you to explore this exhibition, to immerse yourselves in the beauty and the resilience of Rohingya culture. Let's stand together in solidarity and support as we celebrate the strength of the human spirit. Thank you.